Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to find VeraWallet address. To find your wallet address on VeraWallet, launch open a web browser first. Sign into your Vera account by entering verawallet.io and log in with your credentials. After you are signed into your VeraWallet, go ahead and select your wallet type under My Wallets. After choosing one of the wallet options, you will be able to see this interface. Click on Deposit from the options, and then you will be able to reveal your wallet address along with the QR code. Click on the Copy Address to copy your wallet address, and you will then be able to copy the address in your clipboard. Share it with someone that you want to receive instant funds from on your wallet. You can also let anyone scan this QR code so that they can instantly send you funds onto your wallet. That is how you find your wallet address for VeraWallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.